Hello everyone, good evening. Have you seen fighting of Deepak Hooda of Sweetie Pura? Sweetie Pura fight with Deepak Hooda. This jodi nowadays circulating in the media very fastly. All the channel are showing his personal life in the media. I will describe all the detail. Deepak Hooda belongs to Rohtak district, okay, and he was born in 10th June 1994. And another other side, Sweetie Pura was born in Hisar. Around distance in between Rohtak and Hisar around 110 kilometer, around 110 kilometer. Okay, and was born in 1993. Around 1 year gap in between. Okay, Sweetie Pura is the international boxing player, and another side Deepak Hooda is a international kabaddi player. But if you have seen of Deepak Hooda back history, Deepak Hooda said in his interview when he was struggling in the childhood. When he was 3 years old, his mother was died, and when he was studying in 12th class, his father also died. Okay, all the responsibility has come in his mind, in his head. Okay, no one any income sources, because only his father was a farmer, no one another option of earning. Another side, his one sister already married and 2 kids also of his sister. Another side, his sister already dispute for her husband continues to come back to our house in Rohtak with living Deepak Hooda. Deepak Hooda was very tense because 2 and 3 plus 4, 1. Total 4 responsibility come to his one is his sister and to his another 2 kids and his 4 responsibility. But he want to complete his study, but no backup, no balance, no income sources. They drop out school and to started given coaching in 4000 and continues doing his practice in the ground of kabaddi in 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, continues doing practice in the ground and 4000 salary received for his family. Okay, and another side, Sweetie Pura was come in limelight in 2040. On that time, she was won a international wrestling. Okay, and after that, 2015, Deepak Hooda and Sweetie Pura meet each other and living relationship. Okay, and on that time around 2015 to 2022, around 7 years, both living relationship and know very well to each other. Okay, but what happened in it after 2022? On that time, though, 2022, both had married. okay, and around 1 crore rupees had spent in his marriage, said, okay. And another side said Sweetie Bura, and another side, after next year, in 2024, joined BJP, both Sweetie Bura and Deepak Hooda. Okay, and Deepak Hooda want to election, want to fight election in the Maham district. In this election, completely with Sweetie Bura for all the rallies, all the companions. Okay, but after that, all the system has break. Okay, now in this day, all the information, all the personal information, personal relationship circulating in the media. Okay, both in the matter, Khap Panchayat want to come to solve out both problem of Sweetie Bura and Deepak Hooda. To one side of Deepak Hooda is a very ground level boy, okay, and very struggling in his life. According to my thinking, this type of this type of activity could not happen by the Deepak Hooda. According to my thinking, if you are thinking, you can comment of another side also. Maybe Sweetie Bura may be angry guy, okay, because many are already done by the Sweetie Bura for Deepak Hooda, but no one any single comment come from Deepak Hooda to Sweetie Bura. That's why I'm saying, okay. In this video is enough. I will come for different video. Till then, goodbye.